The Pagoda House, a masterpiece by IO architects, is nestled on a picturesque slope on the fringes of Sofia, Bulgaria. Perched between the bustling city and the majestic mountains, the residence offers breathtaking panoramic vistas in two distinct directions. Gazing downwards, the cityscape unfolds, while upwards, the verdant garden leads the eye towards the awe-inspiring mountain peaks. These captivating views are seamlessly integrated into the design, with external spaces thoughtfully positioned beneath the projecting roof to maximize their enjoyment. The approach to the house is carefully orchestrated. A subtle widening of the street creates a welcoming entrance space, while a gracefully extending veranda serves as a bridge, connecting the residents to the serene garden. The first floor is discreetly tucked into the sloping terrain, a clever design choice that elevates the main living level above the street, ensuring privacy and maximizing views. Simultaneously, this positioning allows the main floor to seamlessly transition to ground level towards the garden, creating a harmonious connection with the surrounding landscape. At the heart of the Pagoda House lies a captivating focal point, the patio of the stairs, where a classic car is proudly displayed. This unique exhibition space adds a touch of personality and intrigue, transforming the core of the residence into a captivating display area. The classic car, a testament to the family's passions, becomes an integral part of the architectural narrative, adding a layer of sophistication and individuality to the overall design. A carefully sculpted hedge follows the gentle slope of the street, gracefully concealing the house from the public eye. Behind this verdant screen, a series of intimate courtyards unfolds, each offering a unique and secluded outdoor space, enriching the living experience within the house. These secondary courtyards add depth and character, providing a sense of tranquility and privacy for the family. The Pagoda House is a testament to the harmonious integration of architecture and landscape. It is a residence that celebrates the beauty of its surroundings while offering a sanctuary of comfort and privacy for its inhabitants. The thoughtful design, with its emphasis on views, privacy, and unique internal spaces, creates a truly exceptional living experience.